Hey everyone, it's Gamliel, and let's see what we have with the markets and the hottest stocks for today. We're talking about the 30 to May 2019. First of all, about the markets, we can see the SPY we're going down. We broke this support here at the 277.5, but we supported a bit. We still need to see how the market will react at the weekly chart and with the monthly chart, as we see a strong resistance and a false breakout on the 294. I'll remind you the IWM. IWM is that's an ETF that follows the Russell 2000, which contains the 2000 leading small caps. And we can see the IWM is starting to be is breaking down the support here at the 148, but we still get a little support from the half trading day yesterday. Again, we will need to see it at the weekly chart and the monthly chart. Something important about the IWM, as we can see, we have a false breakout here on the 160, and we also breaking down the lows of the last 3 months, which could lead us even more to go more down in the markets, so we will need to follow it. Let's talk about this few stocks we have on the list. We have OBLN. OBLN, after the public offering, we can see the skyrocketing move here at the 22 to May, and then we have the public offering that smashes the stocks down. And then we can see yesterday 58% up. We were even more. We reached until the 1.5, but we didn't succeed to make this to maintain these prices. Anyway, OBLN, there were rumors that Johnson & Johnson will buy the company for $8 a stock, but you know, that's the penny stocks world. A lot of rumors. It could be the real reason we can see this move in OBLN, but let's see how we will be in OBLN in the next few days. So we still need to follow OBLN, of course. Next one, ELTK. ELTK, definitely the star of yesterday. 326% gain, 36 million shares traded, exchange heads, small tiny float. ELTK, tiny market cap. We had earnings yesterday. Earnings were published before the start of trading day, 2 hours before at the pre-market, and ELTK just exploding up, so it still will be on the watch list, although we already got a very big move. But you know, momentum stocks in the penny stock world, low float, very small tiny market cap, and this thing could go even further, but we will need to follow it and see how the price action will react. Next one, we have SESN. SESN continues to go up. We have a breakout on the 2.35. SESN, we have this FDA approval here at the 21 to May, and we can see the stock is, we talked about it yesterday, the stock is very positive every day here, ending with the green move, with the stock in a positive closing price, except this day and this day, but these were really minor. You can see the differences in the closing price. This is just 1 cent here, and from here to here we have 3 cents, which is only 1%, and the stock going up like 100%. So it's really impressive, and we can see SESN continues to go up, so we will still need to follow it. Again, the main news is this news you can see here. Okay, this is the main news that CSN is going up because of that. Next one, we have SOLY. SOLY continues to go up. We had a price of $29 yesterday, but we finished the day a bit slow, 42%. We finished the day at $20. This stock were skyrocketing. Look at it, from $6 to $29 in just 2 days. SOLY representing something like approximately $200 million in market cap. So SOLY, I think the momentum here is over, but you know, again, penny stocks, low float. We have news, FDA approval, and this thing, the momentum will show us the way. So we just need to be a bit. We need to pay more attention to the price action, okay, to see more solid moves before we hop into this move. We are going to be the third day today after the start of the big move. And next one is BYND, Beyond Meat. BYND, we can see BYND breakout. You can see here the highs. We were at 96.7 and 96.8, and yesterday we hit the 27.65, and at the aftermarket we even reached very close to the $100 per share. And BYND continues to go up. This was the IPO day at the 2nd of May, and BYND with a great huge move. So of course it will be on our watch list. Next one, we have RWLK. After reverse split before a few weeks ago, again low float and tiny market cap. We have news with RWLK. Watch the volume, and we have 37% gain at RWLK. So we will need to follow to see if we can get a continuation here at our WLK. And next one is JMIA. JMIA, after the Citron research, the Citron hedge funds made this one go down with the research, and we can see JMIA holds the bottoming here. Look at the weekly chart. We can see the support is around the $18-19, and the critical point here is 25.5 if JMIA will succeed to go over. Not something I will go to swing with, just to take something like a midday or a few hours correction to go up in JMIA. No, nothing more. Next one, we have Cara, C-A-R-A. Cara, we can see the update, okay, on the positive results from the phase 3. Of course, you need to check it more and go deeper. 35 million shares on the float, 17% short float, so we have potential short squeeze. We can see the market cap $875 million. So CARA will start to be on our watch list for today. Next one, IOVA. We can see it after big news here at the 16th of May. We can see $2 billion market cap, 122 million shares on the float. When you can see here IOVA going up, and the last 3 days, we have from the last 3 days, the first two were the first red days, but it was really minor. You can see 1% down here, and here maybe 1.5 or 2% down. And yesterday we're getting news on the pre-market, the stock going down again, get support at around the 16.1, and we're finishing positive with 1%, so it will be interesting to finish the week at the 18 level or even more. Watch this. First of all, the float rotation, the stock float rotation is good, and we can see 2 strong weeks, and the third week we hit a bottoming at 16.12, and it will be very interesting if we will succeed to make this breakout at the 18 levels. So IOB VA will be interesting. And the last one is CTHR. CTHR, we can see this stock going up. We don't have direct news from yesterday, but look at the market cap, $46 million, 18 million shares, and this is a continuation move to the report, the earnings we get on the 10th to May. You can see here in the 9th of May, the aftermarket, we have physical financial results. So the earnings were very good, and now we're getting a breakout, so we need to see how this goes according to price actions. Watch the volume. Okay, the volume is taking time to evolve here at CTHR, so we will need to give it time. 671,000 shares yesterday approximately, so CTHR will also be on our watch list. And that's it. We have OBLN, ELTK, SCSN, SOLY, BYND, RWLK, JMIA, CARA, IOVA, CTHR. I will wish you a lot of success, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.